Is I guess number 2 on our little instruction sheet. So this is a 3-legged item called a transistor. Now, a transistor looks like this, and it has a kind of flat face and a round side. So on the circuit board here, you need to find the correct spot, which will match up. You'll see here a flat side with 3 holes. Make sure you match up the flat side to the flat side. Poke it through the 3 holes. Takes a bit of effort to get it to go through, like that. Okay, push it all the way down. Excellent. So we've got that now. We will flip it over. You'll see it has 3 holes and 3 pins, so spread the holes and the pins a little bit so that they're all separated. Okay, same as before. We will apply a little bit of solder. So a little bit of solder on the soldering iron. Okay, we will hold the iron onto the circular pad plus the pin. Apply a little bit of solder, wait 2 seconds, and lift it off. You can probably do 2 or 3, so I'll apply a bit more. On the second pin, lift it off, go to the 3rd pin, lift it off. Make sure you don't put too much solder, or all the solder will flow into each other's holes. At this stage, I will just trim the pieces. And I don't know if we can get a close-up of that, but you can see the solder here is perfect. It's gone into each hole separately and not joined all 3 together. And that's how you do stage 2.